everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni and you are watching Dr. Surbhi Sahni dental series and medical video, and welcome back to my channel. As you already know through the thumbnail that today I am gonna talk about the MDS counseling for the private colleges of for the NEET MDS 2022. See, there are lots of confusions and lots of queries. So today in this video, I will cover each and every query. And if you still have any query, you can comment down very well. You can also drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and even you can DM me 24/7 on my Instagram, and don't forget to follow me there also. And your query will be solved shortly in the upcoming videos too. So stay tuned with my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can. So this will motivate me to make more and more videos, informative videos for you, and definitely to achieve some targets in the upcoming year. If we talk about the MDS counseling for the private colleges, basically there are 3 rounds. One is the All India Quota counseling, second is the state counseling, and the third one is the private college counseling. When it comes to the All India Quota counseling, nearly about 25 to 30 private colleges are involved. Regarding the counseling procedure, I have already made one video which is already present on my channel. I will definitely put the link of button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. If you are registered yourself for the private college counseling, then the fees of registration of the counseling is 2 lakh rupees. Fine. For the private college, you do not require any domicile or any state quota, nothing like that. Easy participation and easily you will get the seat. To the range of 600 rank, you can have the chances of getting the government seat in the government college. Above that rankers, please opt for the private college counseling also, because there are more chances of getting a seat in a private college rather than in a government college. Basically, this is for the general category, because if you are belong to the general category and your rank is above 600, then you need to go for the private college counseling, because a government seat might not be available for you. There is one query that if someone is having the old clinic and he is running it after BDS, now he gave the NEET MDS 2022 examination and he cleared it very well. How he opt for the seat in a college? See, if you have your clinic, no matter how old your clinic is, the more old your clinic is, the more investment and the more income unit you can have in your hand, right? So if you are running your clinic and you opt for counseling after clearing or qualifying the NEET MDS 2022, then definitely you can take the seat of that college which is nearby your own clinic, so as you can maintain or have a balance of both, of your clinic also as well as of your MDS. If you opt for government seat, then you are unable to do the practice in your own clinic because it's not allowed. But the next question is, you opt for OS. What are the things you will see? See, as I have already told you in my previous videos also, I don't know, you guys are not seeing it till the end, so it's my request, please watch all my videos till the end, because till the end you can get the answers of all your queries also. Now, if we talk about the OS branch, make sure you will opt for those colleges which has the inbuilt MBBS and the inbuilt hospital, right? Not just a dental hospital, but a medical or proper hospital is there, just like you can see in Subharti. Fine. Having the OS branch as your choice and you are opt for a college, basically a private college, then definitely the one scenario that you will see is having its own hospital and having its inbuilt MBBS building and MBBS course, so as you can have more exposure in the OS branch. Otherwise, if some college is having a tie-up with some other private hospital, then it's again not a very good exposure is there, and definitely our tie-up work as a tie-up only. Fine. If you want to take a OS, so please make sure you will keep these points in your mind. Ortho. See, regarding the ortho branch, if you really want to opt for a seat for ortho, then I will suggest you will opt it in the metropolitan cities, just like Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Pune, because there the patient flow is more as compared to the other cities, right? And you might have more exposure, more cases of orthodontics, so as you can perform it in your MDS course, right? So for ortho, please keep these things in your mind, because a remote area is there and you opt for ortho, then you might have a chances of practicing a less number of patients in your MDS course. Another important question is, when will be the state counseling started? See, after the All India quota counseling end, then only the registration for the state quota counseling will be started in case of NEET MDS 2022. Right now there is no counseling started at all, so just keep your eye on the official website and stay tuned, and don't lose the hope. Don't feel fear at all. You will get the seat definitely. Now for those candidates who are not eligible for the NEET MDS 2022 as they have not qualified the seat, and regularly I got the question that when will be the revised cutoff, when will be the revised cutoff. See, you will get the revised cutoff only after the second round of the counseling. So till the time the revised cutoff is not there, till now you are not eligible for the counseling, but definitely once the revised cutoff is out, you are eligible for the counseling. For this scenario, you have a lot of time, so just stay tuned with the information regarding the NEET MDS 2022 counseling. There is no as such criteria for the private college to get a seat. You can just go submit the fees and get the seat, right, by sitting in the counseling. But there are some colleges of Karnataka where there is some colleges offering 5 to 6% or 5 to 6 seats as a government seat in private college. There you have certain criteria, like the first criteria is you have to done your BDS from Karnataka only, and there is some eligibility criteria, and that's why you have to check out those if you really want to do the MDS from Karnataka. Fine. If we talk about the loan on an MDS course, definitely 100% loan on the MDS course will lead you in trouble, because you are unable to pay back afterwards. My personal opinion that you can take a loan of 15 to 20 lakhs, but not at all 100% loan for the MDS course. At least you can take 15 to 20 lakhs of the loan, and rest you can pay by cash or pay by yourself. If you want to opt for a seat in the deemed university, definitely you can opt for it, but there is one drawback. The fees is very high. There is nearly about the package of more than 50 lakhs. Might be the sites where you can check out, oh, it's just a 12 lakh per year and 12 3 36, so it's just a 36 lakhs for the MDS course in deemed university. No, there are the miscellaneous charges, there are other accommodation charges, your hostel, your other accessories and everything, that it will definitely come out to be more than 50 lakhs. A few colleges which come under the deemed university and which are offering the MDS more than 50 lakh rupees, that is the Manipal, D.Y. Patil, Satyabhama University, Bharati Vidyapeeth, SRM, Amrita. So that's all about the whole query session regarding the NEET MDS 2022 counseling for the private colleges. If you still have some query, then definitely you can contact me by any of the mode. Thank you for watching.